enti ejana nyaso kumo enche bia meka kira wo se Justin Frimpong Kodua our NPP General Secretary why issue letter no person was sake Dr. Frimpong Boateng every NPP party because as ogu party ni mu ase I was here Dr. Frimpong Boateng abe reply no fire back at Justin Frimpong Kodua any NPP party no just say obia ntimi sakeme I Penyah block media me so say need you over like video now that but subscribe button sabe click notification on the latest updates na be chire wa adwen da mama e will comment section so ba so na she first anya bia hwe so ye nyina nim Dr. Frimpong Boateng our physician any a cardiothoracic surgeon and our former environment minister and the Kufad the first term from 2017 to 2021 na environment minister. Now this man, you know, and as I heard the publications on the internet, any interview or granted, I said, what name people for no, I don't name people for no, issue because the expose no, it is tackling the NPP, and I'm so Emma, the NPP General Secretary, Justin Frimpong Kodua, and any anyo, no, oko PMO on Asempa FM. I hono any what you say, and now near my way, no. Dr. Frimpong Boateng or not as a general secretary or NPP in Penyah adwene say all person mo pam man every party because ogu party na nimu ase
one of them can say ye kofobu we you mu a ya bo mo pa no ma adwen say party no asundwe be ma embo aban otisu eti se bia na ese kan sem a de bia de beba party nim de bia se be division beba party nim de bia de nchichemu beba party nim na wanwa se bi se de wa kan Professor Frimpong Boateng se bi e kan Ghana ha obi anim ene obi akora anim se e ba se de obi omnim akoma ho asem yi ho emergency no operation de obi an so ya de na de na akosinti a opani se bi obi an kan no bi ansi ye no akwotena TV so na obeka se ne party a se bi wanya mu minister di okase party ni fake obi said we to our way wadwumen ka se bia beka bia no ena na mon bia betu bia no obi so nim de oye ena onim susanso e wo so
sure
ena results amepe said nipa bia nya na de kwa opani na de a oye no said obi anim onso nim so obi na abone pa a into oye saadem if it's a question we say so party now say fake that be na who say fake time we di minister and the one who say party ni fake Etosubim also make allegations say by Kotu 2023 Habano was killed for His Excellency Dr. Muhammadu Bamia. And to 2023 na ye to abano. Well 2023 one say party ni fake. 2024 one say party ni fake. 2025 one say party ni fake. Then next year January 2026 Sabri Kotu presidential premise. E hona one say party ni fake. Except Bapa na dia na oye no nim dia oye wa sheda eni nkofobia bo mo pa se aban no ma e koso a NPP betina kasa no se bia nyi adwen fi so ye ma de dem bra babonten
na buja no na asem na koduru man animo Dr. Frimpong Boateng koduru na oze hwe mo se de ba asem pasa mo kwatras mo kwatras
na mi busa se statement e free o general secretary ho aba no wanya bi akan
well me obi kofo di bi bra me say statement be from general secretary but general secretary no ko me no me share no kra da me nim me share no da me ne kasa da but what I'm saying is I'm just waiting for official communications from them.
Yeah, because I say in the statement, I say Obe refer to NEC. And the NEC would have to take a decision on you, but we're invoking the constitutional provision for expelling a party member from the party into what status will move the UF free party. But was a NEC it may approve our decision. No.
Oh, okay. I'm just I mean, so a lawyer or so here. I don't know when he completed law school. Maybe a lawyer or teacher real school no. Now for this man to say Obia Bomipa and America the Americano. I am very sad. I've been very consistent. Say Omopa Niama Matria on the party, for the years, over the years, But then another one thing will be I've been very consistent, very concerned. So, party and Kofa Brown, some of Brantia, so what I'm saying is that faction or General Secretary, that's a fake thing. Now they should quit. They should quit, and then the real party will stand.
Yeah, but you are still repeating claims, Ama secretary issues, because when you say party,
I don't care what they do. I mean, look, he is fake because the only faker. How say Obiya program from 9 to 10 p.m. Almost 6. Now we see NEC I issue statement to sack somebody from the party. They can go ahead.
No,
I'll not even respond.
That be one kasa NEC or no as general secretary. And the way invoke provisions in the party constitution say or refer to NEC.
Look, he's not a mature general secretary. How can you a program that ends at 10 p.m. and then before morning, you issue a statement. They can issue any statement that they want. I will not miss them. Obi. But I don't care what they do. Look, they are destroying the party, and somebody must stand up for that.
Okay, what have they done to destroy the party? In this uncommon, and then they destroy the party now.
Look, look at all the things. Look at how we lost the election. You didn't go there. So, abuse of power, corruption, arrogance, and the party could not stand up to anybody. I'm a party now, teacher Pansampe. Most around here, you will be a friend. So, how with them?
Yeah, Prof. Nyabutre, but don't you think you are confusing government with the party? The government had a head of that executive.
The party brought the government. So if the government is going astray, the party can make a stand, can take a stand. As I said, we are calling Yampe, we say also here. The party didn't do anything like that. So what is the party there for?
No, but you were in this country when the General Secretary did interviews. There should be reshuffle. They called on the president to reshuffle his administration. What else could they have done?
I mean, you can't reshuffle concept. Look, there were so many things. What country has we need a PCC country?
Yes.
We lost these elections, and obviously, the party, one more party in the executive, they were supporting one person. They were supporting him. Some people were the blue white in Jomosa and Omutomano, the blue my Brabo Wamo, they say, and you man here. And you lose a lesson report. Instead of coming out, move to a report, no be can be, no be at Najaba, Yenina, whom quite a fashion of it win election if you know. Look at that, and you must say, yes, I'm going to say you. And yet,
yeah, but why are you then saying, sir? Omo echinchim nkofo no mo da so chinchim nkofo nsa ye nenso
omo da so chinchim nkofo sa
and say dey mu ni to me mu bio
omo nya kra I mean there has been allegations even the electoral register kra there are irregularities. I mean people are still not happy with them.
Yeah, but
also mo hwe here omo to expel me from the party me who me I don't care. I will not miss them at all, and they are the fake ones. Omo free party no and then the party will start. Prof
Nyabutre, don't you think, sir, the party you are still a member of, no, to call that party fake? Not just say you've crossed.
No, okay,
and the church
MPP MPP say by your elections are they study free polling station, near constituency, near region, near the national. No more than in
FM.
I'm a be Frasberry and Sana, ya be Yaka. So, it's wrong.
And no, nema a fake, no.
Yeah, that's not how the true MPP behave. So, and you come on there, you lawyer for paying for a person. So, listen, now we know. Import, don't put him for Sabi obey a general secretary, no, so, Sapa, a branch, you know. What you name a year such a way, a painful in Bruno. Namuti, and now, Mafia, and the Marty Tapansam, the council of Mianka. No, I can say, your best husband will be started from the party. Go ahead and do that.
Yeah, meaning, sir, from the weekend here, you are ready to leave the party anytime, any day.
No, I'm not leaving the party. They should leave the party. They are the fake ones. They should go away, and the true party will stand.
Hey, it is a neck to suffer or crown.
I'll not go there. Because someone who is that? I'll not go there at all. Waste my time.
Neck, a National Executive Committee of the party. Oh.
No, but that is the fake this neck.
But we are saying neck, no former president, any former vice president in Aka on there.
Oh, I mean, neck, no, yeah, executive committee, no.
And no, yeah, I'm only a steering committee, but neck, the president and vice president in Aka on.
Former president, you only former president. What I'm saying is that the party as this now, no. So, what can be also count on my party and say, until everybody should quit. No more free on that party, no, a man telling me about one more. One more party who do organ who don't know you say and NPP.
I have heard
NPP not say yes I say so much woman next say I said how much one way at Papa B and ya the Papa B and to say or be about the person yes I know to divert attention to other issues that person must be mad.
Semper FM.
Hey Prof, but I've heard the current national organizer say omo ema party ni lusu ye pa no o ka ho because o write up ya we on galamsey no o di gu party ni aban ni ma se poto o jitum
there be me tum I want to say encourage me bia me who lawyer for nkin get ma jwe nkin get sa o se me try report say the secret galamsey any the way forward and me try me no kwankwan so me kai and man can't go to Bobia. We try to crown Namely Bram was there. 2 years, 3 months, Obia can't read. Come inside any leaky here. A leaking as a loose party, a loose election. I was a man, I'm sure, you know. I mean, organize an one here, or a lawyer, uncle defend and go for one more as a more national, for example.
Our courts, you mean?
Yeah, whatever it is.
Yeah.
God bless no more. National Service Secretary.
National Service honor. That on the assembly and in who see how.
There be a mechanic. So when you are your lawyer know what to make at my uncle, one in no when you are some film.
Hey, Prof, ain't he for now? Not just say the award can mean say January 31st presidential primaries, no. Wono, you are part of those party members. I'm free say the Nipa or Democrat election the last time. There was say mudin this in chain baby for Nipa for home.
Okay, media. And you may want to carry. The fiber no the carry.
Okay, then.
Sabi, say nothing will be a nothing president. Muhammad Northna, where president not to acquire. A bad deal said another Northna between be done here. Or no the carry. You know me carry.
And wono what just had any di
me did it me obi asem no kind na me coach no
into based on that you feel say was a party for no edini sin chain no mu yi nipa fofo
me see and kebabo party no if you say any my lose election na no we did not process those issues think e buy na kamle to bia ene nyina dia adwen buy and I say you be defend it but me ya packaging here ya church again for me say muka we nya no kure na say na ti like you na do na chia fine but amani sir muka take say nyama so party headquarters na ko extension of the campaign office you know they're all supporting him regional professors in support no mo say me nka asem da mo so me nka
into one kasa na why na wo support no.
We support the true MPP.
Which of the candidates represents the true MPP?
I don't support any candidate. Any other candidate on you know. Yeah, on the team that let us down. One can or more can say 3 or 4 can.
Oh, okay.
Because
anybody but Baumia.
Because I'm not processed Baumia Lucio no. Say mo dia big jana ke nyina adwene ho ne aka se say ne abo say ye say de meko bioma say ne o say ye nyina support manya sa wo be say nyina say be gana for yankasa for we can say Ghana said women in Argentina to MP before. Ghanaians have reasons why they did that. So we have to respect. Or see, respect now idea how you see no asana upon upgrading. Now sir.
Now okay say omodi atudwa. Are you saying say Michael Quay report no anka party name report in na metudwa. Sa na woka. No, but which political party does that? Party be any yes, I know.
Party party are led by people who are concerned. No, party
but which precedents now be my site? Because say report neba, it is handed over to the National Council, and then they peruse it and take decisions.
Okay, and you the National Council now peruse now, 2020
Professor Kwabena Frimpong Boating, as we speak, we are still a member of the NPP.
Me a member of the true NPP, not the fake one. One person, and you will near Sanam Kwan Subio Dikugono. And then we come home. What you say?
In the true NPP, Nene Wayamo.
Who you move for Jacka you too? The fake ones, what would him? I just said, and look, some of them, no, move to one, a crown bus, their person, young Pasua. Woman, yet maybe I or my free party headquarters, or could pledge myself, could view chambers, or whatever it is. What could my lawyer, Papa Biata, there, but woman, a hawk, and I said, woman, so they are afraid of for their positions.
Into fake for any of the current national executives.
Any woman think to say woman. It be what rings I know. They are the fake ones. I should be on consular part in the bay.
Oh, okay. Ain't it and a basse next year, said the General Secretary, has a neck, Bishiano. Omusiana neck, Jitum say, Professor Frimpong Boating, you were free party in my obey day.
No, they cannot murder. They cannot sack me from the party because the party is not theirs, and I don't recognize them as a true MPP.
Now, Prof, what's the man who can do? Now, send you now. Obama party now ungovernable.
Because it's annoying for a general secretary, young man, Misha, who can say, "Say will be a bumper, say be anti before bumper, say make it can simply to divert attention." We are lawyers, so.
I honor Nama Obuefu Kakrano.
Oh, yes, Nuboku. Sada.
Professor Frimpong Boating. Wow. But some of the issues are not over. No. Don't you think say issues are being a leading member of the party? Nanka obetimi akano kukwemu than how I be a walk out there. No.
What can I say?
Some bit ma kan kukwemu.
And
there's a Woton Safra General Secretary, so on in the meeting or Beba.
Maybe to Safra. I check maybe a chairman. Maybe Jim can say, General Secretary, you know, me shall that. You say, my real plan could job and tell me who's the winning. So I don't know him. Maybe not. So, be sending message, so General Secretary, so I'm ready. I'm the time and I go to by election will come over to Infana. My two blanket, and I'm some maybe try. So,
wow. Ain't he from how I am
yes. I'm so concerned, you know. Said yes, almost on the party, no, I'm so my brother from party. Look, when we had by elections, or they saying Tripoli, and they shot 4 people. Don't come in your own teaching check. Will be a journey. I had to carry these children in the truck to Yendi hospital to operate on them. So, Kumipelko, tell my book and create you who I stood there taking care of them. Well, even from 1977 or 78, when I was a young medical officer in Kumasi, yeah. FIFA any Bedema any Lekuva do Kano Kaho on Bakiri Tabaya demonstration be against Unigov. It's 2 ball and for MOB the bomb bedi ma mo maso mo je tunu gu ne shirt nyina mu me na me teaching wo me Dr. for something any teaching wo emergency ho
Okay.
you be start get my sent me try photo na let me try photo you put I still have the photo you know and all these struggles all these years next time I'm running my party so for a few years mo be say mo say now look at me say you are going to discipline me because I'm saying the truth they can go to hell.
Prof, yate yebeda ase na afi bibia ni a yebesan so aba bedi enkomo bio. Why?
Hey, azemu, yaba ni ebeko. MPP. Any azemu ni. Chira wadwe mame, comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media. Accra.